Hello. In this video, I'm going to give you a full guide on how to make a routine for you to follow throughout your day. Routines make you more productive, they practically cure boredom because you've always got something to do. They are one of the best ways to keep track of everything you've got to do. They're just really good. Like, when I say productivity, like, I'm not just talking about all the boring things, oh, you get to do more of the boring stuff, congratulations, no. But you get more time to do all the fun things. Productivity is like just a win-win for everybody, and routine will help you accomplish that. So now I'm going to give you a full guide on how to create your own routine, so you can just follow it throughout your day as you go along. So now, first thing you want to do is you want to get a piece of paper, or like you can use your phone if you can write stuff on there, or a laptop, or anything where you can write stuff down. Something to write stuff down with, pencil, pen, whatever. And then next, you've got your piece of paper, pencil. If you haven't yet, then pause the video and you go on. You want to write down where you have free time and where you do not have free time. So you have things that we do every day that we can't really control, like a work or a job or like some kind of thing that you've got to do. Yeah, so just things that you have to do. So just write that down. Now that we're done with that, name some things you want to do. So this could be anything from skydiving to just going for a jog. Just anything you want to do, just write it down. Okay, now that you've got that, identify where you sleep. So there's this myth, not really myth, but like there's this thing where you're supposed to sleep 8 hours, right? That's correct. But most people sleep 6 hours because nobody thinks of the time it takes for you to get to sleep. So say you went to sleep at 10, and you woke up at 6, you're getting 6 hours of sleep. But if you went to sleep at 8 and woke up at 6, you'd be getting 8 hours of sleep. Because it takes you 2 hours to get to sleep, and if you combine all the things during the night, maybe you wake up for 4 seconds you don't remember, and all that kind of stuff. So I'd recommend you do that in your routine. Although if you want to stick to the 10 to 6, or the 12 to 8, or whatever you've got, then that's completely fine as well. Less sleep for you. Okay. Now you want to write down everywhere that you eat. So this is all just basic stuff, just to get your flow, so you're not just, oh, well, I've got to eat, but I want to do this. It's like, just to get a kind of. So some people eat at different times. Some people have breakfast at 8. Some people have breakfast at 5. Some people have lunch at noon. Some people have lunch a bit later, like 2. So just identify wherever you eat, and then you kind of want to just pop that in the routine. Now, put in all the basic kind of chores that you have to do daily, like brushing your teeth, or like exercising, or just anything like that. We've already done food. Food's just the basic one, but yeah, just anything like taking a shower, or like some specific thing you have to do after school, or like anything like that. Okay. Now you want to organize all of it. So you've got a bunch of numbers, a bunch of stuff. So first of all, wherever you wake up, just write that number down. So say you wake up at 6, you'd write 6. Say you wake up at 7, you'd write 7, etc. And then you just put whatever you've got next, right? So say you have breakfast at 8, you'd write down 8. And then you have like something you've got to go to, like a job. You've got to go to your job from 9, and then you've got to be there until 5. So now, and then you come back at 5, and then you write down, it'd be like 5, and then you've got to go to sleep, say 10. Okay, now you've got all the basics. Now you've got now make sure to leave some gaps in between all the numbers, so you can write some more stuff in between. So you have from 6 till 8 to do whatever you want. Yeah, so maybe you say you wanted to go for a walk. Maybe from 6 o'clock you could write walk next to that. And then you could do that until 7 o'clock. And then from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, you could do, I don't know, like, you could exercise. Well, yes, you've already exercised, so maybe you could take a shower until 7:30. And then you could get dressed. No, I mean, sorry, but maybe you could, like, go shopping. Then it's 8 o'clock, and then you have breakfast. You see where we're going with this? And then you just slowly fill in all the gaps until you reach from when you wake up to when you fall asleep. And in all the gaps where you don't have to do anything, you just put something you want to do. This helps with consistency, productivity, boredom, everything. Okay, now you have this is going to take a second, but now you have a completely full routine for you to follow every single day, hopefully. You don't have to follow it every single day for the rest of your life, that's a bit crazy. But say you don't really feel like walking in the mornings anymore, so you got that out. You put, I don't know, reading. You want to read in the mornings now, so you do that instead. You can customize this, rewrite it over and over and over. I rewrite mine maybe like every 3 weeks to 2 months. You don't want to rewrite it too much to the point where, whoa, I didn't walk today, so I've got to rewrite that to whatever I did. Don't do that. But if you notice that you're doing something instead of something else consistently, and you actually prefer it, then you might want to change it. Okay. My name is Sam. My channel name is 7. Go follow your routine, bro.